Alrighty, so I'm putting little LEDs on the back of my TV. And all you have to do is plug it in. USB. Check this out. And it comes with one of these. It goes with the tune of the music. See? So in the back, it would look like that.
So cool.
Alrighty, so the only problem I'm running into is like the corners right here. And if I turn it, I'm gonna break the line on the inside of this thin paper, right? Then the rest of the lights won't work. And so it's sticky in the back. All you gotta do is peel it and stick it. I already have it all the way down this way. So what I'm doing is, well, I'm trying to make it focus, guys. There we go. I'm leaving it like so. Like this. That's the only way I can figure out of doing it. That way it doesn't break. You see those two little lines? That way it doesn't break those lines and the electricity keeps flowing through. If y'all have any other suggestions, please let me know. Hello. Hey. What you doing? So I have it on the M. You can't really see it, but that's the M for music. I have to talk in order to keep the light on. Well, anyways, there's an M right there, okay? And it's for music. So let me press play and it should go with the music.
Never talk peace, never talk freedom, just hide it. I ain't gon' get